Hello dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. In our previous class, we have learned that the knowledge of chemistry is essential in the preparation of various products that we see around us. So today, let's get into it in detail, beginning with food and chemistry. In products that you use regularly, have you seen a tag like this any time before? At least once? Yes, it says no added preservatives. What do you think these preservatives are? Let's get into it. A preservative is a substance or a chemical that is added to products such as food products, beverages, or pharmaceutical drugs like medicines or paints, cosmetics, and many other products in order to prevent the growth of microorganisms or to prevent any chemical change that is not favorable. Now, we are going to study about the preservatives that are added to food, and we call it as food preservatives. Look at the picture here. You can see an apple that looks fresh and also an apple that looks rotten. Why do you think this has happened? Because when food is exposed to air, it absorbs moisture, and the moisture outside the food allows the growth of microorganisms, leading to spoilage of food. Do you think we can prevent this from happening? At least keeping this fresh for some more days? Yes, here comes the role of a food preservative. So, food preservatives are substances or chemicals that are added to food or beverages to prevent decomposition, that is, breaking down of the food by bacteria or microbes, and keeping the food fresher for a longer time. It also reduces the risk of foodborne infections. And also, food preservatives helps to retain the nutritional quality of food. There are a number of food preservatives that are used in various food items. Let's see some of the most commonly used food preservatives. First is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is a preservative that is commonly used in food items like jams, pickles, and carbonated drinks or fizzy drinks like Pepsi, Coke, Sprite, etc. The next food preservative is nitrates. Nitrates are preservatives that are used in meat products like bacon, ham, and some cheeses. The next one is sulfur compounds. Sulfur compounds like sulfur dioxide is a widely used food preservative. These are mainly used in beverages, wines, and soft drinks in order to preserve the color of the food. Here, you can see few food products that includes food preservatives. Generally, all packed and canned foods come with added preservatives in it. The first one here is an example of a fruit jam bottle with a label including the information that food preservatives are added in it, as you can see here. Likewise, every food item package tells you the information of food preservatives that are used in it. Here, you can see few food products that can be prepared at home, like pickles, squashes, or fruits in sugar solution, etc. But do you know these also include food preservatives? Yes, salt and oil that is used in this pickle are also used as food preservative, which keeps the food fresh for a longer time. And also, since ages, salt has been used as a natural preservative, which helps in keeping meats and vegetables fresh for a longer time. As you can see here, fruit that is kept in sugar solution. Sugar also helps to preserve food by absorbing excess of water, like in homemade jams and jellies. Lemon juice and vinegar also prevents the growth of microbes. As you can see here, refrigeration and drying of food are other ways to preserve. By now, you have got a lot of information about food preservatives, isn't it? Next, let's jump into food processing. Food processing is nothing but transforming or changing raw food ingredients into food that is available in an easy usable form. And such processed foods are available in the market. The processing involves a physical or a chemical process. As you can see here, these are some of the processed foods that are available in the market. From this, let's take the example of Lay's and understand food processing better. In Lay's, raw food ingredient, that is potato, through a physical or chemical process is converted into chips, that is into an easy usable form of food. Now let us see what are the various processes that are used in food processing. First is mincing. Mincing, which means food is finely divided into uniform pieces. This is an example of minced garlic. As you can see here, garlic is chopped into uniform pieces. This is one type of food processing. The next one is cooking. You all know about that. Pickling, preservative addition, canning. You can see the picture of canned food here. Tomatoes that are canned and available in the market for sale. Packaging, as you can see here in these pictures. These are different processes that are used in food processing. Now, let us see, where are these food processing done? They are done in various food processing industries. They are sugar industry, as you can see here, fish processing, meat packaging, tinned vegetables and snacks industry. These are all the industries where food processing is done.